Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used in economics and politics, laissez-faire. It comes from French, and while it may seem tricky, by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is laissez-faire. Let's break it down. First, we have lay, which sounds like let but without the T sound. Next is say, which sounds just like the word say. Finally, we have faire, which is pronounced just like the English word fair, as in a fair decision. Now let's put it all together. Laissez-faire. Try repeating after me. Laissez-faire. Now a little faster. Laissez-faire. And at full speed. Laissez-faire. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Laissez-faire is a term that refers to a policy of minimal government interference in economic affairs. It translates to let do or let it be in French and is often used to describe free market capitalism. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce laissez-faire and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.